Hey, I found this AK thing. If we can't find the Tommy gun, will this work?
Yeah. Do you think Jax is gonna be mad that I didn't team up with him?
I wouldn't worry about him right now. It's all just a game in the end.
Jax, though, he probably wants revenge, and he's gonna make it painful and—
Hey, you deserve better than thinking about him when he's not even here. You're human. You're not his toy.
Sometimes it doesn't feel that way.
These avatar gimmicks, huh? Makes you wonder why no one else got them.
I just wish that— How are you supposed to like the part of yourself that just makes you different from everybody else?
'Cause it exists. It's a part of you that's real. And the only you that you should care about is the real you. You have to choose to love yourself, even if it doesn't make sense. It's not natural, it's intentional.
Have you ever had to make that choice?
Huh?
Sorry. I mean, of course not. You're Zubo.
Whatever happens, I've got your back if you've got mine.
Yeah. Now let's go kill Pomni and Jax.